Welcome to EM Facts. Today we will discuss the importance of expressing breast milk and how to do it effectively. Expressing breast milk is when you use your hands or a breast pump to get the milk from your breasts. It is often necessary when a baby cannot breastfeed or the mother needs to be separated from her baby. The first milk you produce after your baby is born is called colostrum, and if you need to express milk at this stage, it is often easily done by hand. However, if you need to express for more than a short time, your midwife may suggest combining hand expressing and using an electric breast pump. It is important to remember to express gently to avoid pain and discomfort, and the use of gentle breast massage and nipple stimulation will help to encourage the milk flow. Using relaxation techniques or thinking about your baby while expressing may also be helpful. Additionally, expressing frequently throughout 24 hours is more effective at stimulating your milk supply than expressing for an extended period in one sitting. There are many reasons why a mother may need to express breast milk, such as when a baby is unable to attach to the breast, the mother is separated from her baby, or the milk supply is low and needs to be stimulated. Hand expression is a simple and effective method that anyone can do with proper instruction. If you have not been shown how to express yourself, asking your midwife to show you before you go home is essential. Remember, expressing breast milk can provide important benefits for you and your baby, and it is necessary to do it effectively to ensure the best possible outcomes. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe for more informative content on EM Facts.